Hi everyone, here we've got LG Wing, and let me show you how to change system language on this device. So first of all, we have to enter the settings, and now let's scroll down to the very bottom and tap on System. As you can see, on the second position we've got Language in Keyboard, so let's tap on it and tap on the very first option, Language. As you can see here, we've got the list of previously added languages. We've got only English right now. In order to add new one, just tap on Add a Language. And here we've got the list of all available languages from which we can choose. So all you have to do right now is simply find the language you'd like to use and tap on it. So let me pick, for example, Netherlands. Simply tap on it, and as you can see, it is immediately applied to our list, but we've got the English still as a main language. So in order to change it, in order to set our new language as a main one, simply tap on it and hold it and drag it to the very first position. Now let's wait a second, and as you can see, from now on the whole system, the whole menu will be in the chosen language. So let me show you it again. Just go back to the language, and in order to set the English as a main language, as a default language, just tap on it and hold it and drag it to the very first position. And the same situation, it is also immediately applied. Now in order to remove the language, simply tap on this trash bin icon, mark the one you'd like to remove and tap on Remove. Click on Remove again, and as you can see, it immediately disappears. So actually that's all. This is how to change system language in your LG Wing. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.